Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. Module 5, Other Agile Methodologies. Kanban Methodology. Kanban is a lean methodology that emphasizes visualizing and optimizing the flow of work in a system. Kanban is often used in software development, but it can be applied to any type of work that involves multiple stages or steps. Kanban is based on the following principles. 1. Visualize the workflow. The first step in implementing Kanban is to visualize the flow of work using a Kanban board or similar tool. The Kanban board should show each stage of the workflow, as well as the status of each item in the system. 2. Limit work in progress. One of the core principles of Kanban is to limit the amount of work in progress, WIP, at each stage of the workflow. This helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that each stage of the workflow is working at an optimal capacity. 3. Manage flow. The goal of Kanban is to optimize the flow of work through the system by minimizing waiting times and reducing the time it takes to complete each stage of the workflow. 4. Make process policies explicit. Kanban encourages teams to make their process policies explicit and transparent so that everyone in the system understands how the work is being done. 5. Implement feedback loops. Kanban relies on continuous feedback loops to improve the system over time. This includes gathering data on cycle times and lead times and using this information to identify areas for improvement. Kanban is often used as a complement to Agile methodologies as it provides a framework for visualizing and managing the flow of work through the system. Kanban boards can be used to track the status of user stories or tasks in an Agile project, and the Kanban principles of limiting WIP and optimizing flow can help teams deliver software more quickly and with higher quality. Lean methodology. Lean methodology is a management approach that originated in the manufacturing industry but has since been adopted by many other industries, including software development. The goal of Lean is to eliminate waste and maximize value by focusing on continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and respect for people. The core principles of Lean are: 1. Identify value. The first step in Lean is to identify the value that the customer wants. This involves understanding the customer's needs and preferences and determining what aspects of the product or service are most important to them. 2. Map the value stream. Once the value has been identified, the next step is to map the value stream. This involves identifying all the steps that are involved in delivering the value to the customer and determining which steps add value and which ones are wasteful. 3. Create flow. The goal of Lean is to create a smooth and efficient flow of work through the system by eliminating bottlenecks and reducing waiting times. 4. Establish pull. In a Lean system, work is pulled through the system based on customer demand, rather than pushed through based on a schedule or plan. 5. Seek perfection. The final principle of Lean is to continuously seek perfection by constantly improving the system and eliminating waste. Lean methodology emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement and waste reduction, and it provides a framework for identifying and eliminating inefficiencies in the system. Lean principles can be applied to software development by focusing on delivering value to the customer, creating a smooth and efficient flow of work, and continuously improving the system over time. Comparison of Agile methodology. There are several Agile methodologies, each with its own approach and set of practices. Here is a comparison of some of the most popular Agile methodologies. 1. Scrum. Scrum is one of the most widely used Agile methodologies. It emphasizes iterative development, with short sprints and regular feedback from stakeholders. Scrum uses a set of roles, ceremonies, and artifacts to help teams stay focused on delivering value to the customer. 2. Kanban. Kanban is another Agile methodology that emphasizes flow and continuous improvement. Unlike Scrum, Kanban does not prescribe specific roles or ceremonies, but instead uses a visual board to track work and limit work in progress. 3. Lean. Lean is a management philosophy that originated in manufacturing but has been adapted for software development. Lean emphasizes the elimination of waste and the continuous improvement of the system. 4. Extreme Programming, XP is an agile methodology that emphasizes software engineering practices such as test-driven development, pair programming, and continuous integration. XP also emphasizes customer involvement and frequent releases. 5. Crystal is an agile methodology that emphasizes flexibility and adaptability. It is designed to be tailored to the specific needs of the project and the team, and includes a set of guiding principles and practices. Each agile methodology has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best methodology for a particular project will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the team, the complexity of the project, and the needs of the customer.